Welcome back to my channel. Today what I'll be doing is replacing the rear windshield wiper on my 2016 Ford Explorer. Here is the replacement part. Here's the brand. Here's the item number. And sorry about the package. That's how I got it from Amazon. I did inspect it already and it wasn't damaged. And here's the barcode and some other information. I will put the Amazon link for this product down in the description below and the comments. So for today's installation, you actually don't need any tools. The only thing you will need is going to be the replacement part, which is right here. And I'll go ahead and take it out of the box, that way you guys can see it. And here's some paperwork inside the box. Here's the windshield wiper. So the first step in removing the old windshield wiper is to lift up the arm. Put your hand in between the old windshield wiper and the arm, and then just go ahead and pull it forward, and it's gonna go ahead and just pop out. As you can see, here it is. And you can see that this needed to be replaced already. It's already breaking. Next, let's go ahead and get the new wiper out of the package. Go ahead and take this off also. Here's a new one. So the next step is going to go ahead and install the new windshield wiper onto the wiper arm. It's going to be a very simple install. All you have to do is lift the arm up. You're going to be able to feel on the back side of the wiper arm two grooves. All you have to do is put this where it falls into those grooves, or press in, and you're gonna hear a click. Once you hear that click, that's gonna be it. Go ahead and release it, and you are good to go. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, go ahead and click the subscribe button. See you guys on the next video, and thanks for watching once again. Have a nice day.